Welcome fellow artists to Kimiko Arts. Today we are going to learn how to draw a very cute marshmallow. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos like this one. For this activity, you will need a pencil for all the basic shapes. I always have two ready in case one breaks. A black marker for outlining our final drawing, and an eraser to get rid of all the rough lines you made to give our artwork an extra professional look.
The first thing that we're going to start with is the basic shapes. So in the middle of your page, you're going to draw an oval very carefully. And I like to just go over it lightly with my pencil numerous times to make sure it's symmetrical on both sides. Then I'm going to add two lines down the side, and you can make your marshmallow as thick or as thin as you like. After that, I'm going to add a curved shape at the bottom, and that's going to give the illusion of depth to the marshmallow because it's going to look like it's coming forwards a bit. Then comes the fun part. I'm gonna start adding the eyes to make my marshmallow look really cartoony. So I'm gonna start with a circle on one side and then a circle on the other side to make it look, and then just check back and forth to make sure that they are the same size. Then I'm going to add two little circles inside the eyes to add a little bit of sparkle. And then I'm gonna add a little nose and a little smile. Then, to make your marshmallow look like it's blushing a bit, you can add a few lines under the eyes like this. So now comes the fun part. It's time to outline all the contour lines. So I'm gonna take my permanent black marker and I'm going to slowly outline all the lines that I want to keep.
Now it's time to erase all of our pencil lines to reveal a dazzling marshmallow. Now you can have a little bit of fun and color in your drawing with marker, pencil crayons, or if you're extra daring, paint. This will make your marshmallow look extra animated and really stand out. There you have it, a cute marshmallow ready to go on an adventure. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment below. Thank you for joining me.
Remember to be yourself, have fun, and to keep drawing. Until next time.